It permits individuals to trade cryptos over various blockchains. However, what is sushiswap? We should find out what we can learn about the token and investigate a portion of the sushi cost forecasts that were being made starting around the 30th of November 2022 as well. SushiSwap made sense of. Among the developing number of decentralized finance administrations sent off throughout the course of recent years, SushiSwap permits clients to straightforwardly exchange digital forms of money. On the off chance that you need a more nitty-gritty response to the inquiry, what is SushiSwap? Then, at that point, the response is that it is a decentralized trade. The product principally runs on the Ethereum blockchain, despite the fact that it additionally works on other viable chains, including Phantom and XDAI. It added help for Polygon in May 2021. SushiSwap empowers clients to trade, procure, loan, and get tokens, stack yields, and influence reserves. The decentralized trade makes computerized liquidity pools that permit clients to trade any digital money token in view of Ethereum for another. Each blockchain-based network needs its own local token, and SushiSwap has the helpfully named SushiSwap, otherwise called Sushi. Individuals can acquire Sushi by marking their different crypto resources in liquidity pools, and holders can decide on proposition concerning the eventual fate of the organization. Since it depends on Ethereum, Sushi is a token as opposed to a coin. You could see references to such things as a Sushi coin cost forecast, however these are off base. The food-themed SushiSwap biological system was sent off by unknown Prime supporters known as culinary specialist Nomi, SushiSwap, and 0xMaki. The point was to make rivalry for Uniswap and send off extra elements, like higher prizes, with Sushi tokens. SushiSwap sent off in August 2020 as a dubious hard fork, or split, from the Uniswap mechanized market producer that depleted its liquidity. Toward the beginning of September 2020, gourmet expert Nomi pulled out $14 in Ether, an exceptionally censured move that brought about the mysterious fellow benefactor leaving the task and moving control of SushiSwap to Sam Bankman-Broyle, prime supporter of the FTX digital money trade and digital money exchanging organization Alameda Exploration. Culinary specialist Nomi then returned the $14 worth of ETH to the task's designer store. 0xMaki keeps on driving the venture, with Joseph DeLong as boss innovation official. In a progression of tweets, gourmet specialist Nomi said, "I will keep on partaking in the conversation and specialized execution of SushiSwap behind the scenes. In any case, won't have any control, won't take any spotlight, won't be essential for the administration." In September 2021, 0xMaki reported they were getting away from everyday tasks into a warning job to assist with cultivating the up-and-coming age of groups expanding on top of Sushi, supporting from the sideline, and aiding without alliance the more extensive DEFi biological system, paying little mind to where they are sent. On the 5th of December 2021, SushiSwap answered a progression of charges spread the word about by a previous worker as AG in November, including that the senior administration of the association was bombing its local area through struggle under the surface. On the 25th of January 2022, it declared it had joined the decentralized crypto local area Frog Country. As per Daniel Sesta of Frog Country, the move is planned to assist with making SushiSwap the most utilized DEX and taking the group and local area soul back to what Sushi recently was. On the 27th of January 2022, SushiSwap tweeted that it was mindful of claims relating to the bigger environment and said it was investigating what is happening. Honestly, Sushi keeps on being autonomous to drive forward the objectives of the convention. People being referred to have no admittance to functional, depository wallets, the tweet proceeded. SushiSwap charges an exchanging expense for exchanges that increment the worth of the Sushi token, permitting holders to create a gain. On the off chance that exchanging request on the AMM rises, the Sushi cost will rise. All in all, how can it work? As per SushiSwap's quarterly update in the harvest time of 2021, best-in-class stamping and close-out innovation will exist in V0, which permits whitelisted specialists to show shiny new work and sell them through a proper cost sell-off or an English sale. Specialists and gatherers can ultimately show their work inside our walkable metaverse in late Q4. While our V0 metaverse will highlight an organized exhibition open to everybody to investigate. It added, social tokens, fractionalizing, and support for NFTs not printed on Shoyu will show up in later variants. Sushi contracts work across different blockchains, and the designers noted in the update that it at present has dynamic homesteads on XDAI, Arbitrum, Celo, Concordance, and Polygon, and we will keep on including new ranches, new chains. In Q4, we hope to have new homesteads on Moonbeam, Torrential Slide, and Close. SushiSwap cost history. We should now investigate a portion of the Sushi cost history. While past execution ought to never be taken as a mark of future outcomes, understanding what the token has done in the past can help us by giving us some setting for when we need to either decipher a SushiSwap cost expectation or, in all likelihood, make one of our own. As we can see from the above cost diagram, the Sushi digital money value rose to $13.10 on the 1st of November 2021, as it moved higher from the dunk across the cryptographic money markets in late September that brought the value down to $8.50. It then declined, dropping by 49% to $6.70 on the 28th of November 2021. At around $5.20 on the 20th of December, Sushi was still up by around 80% starting from the beginning of 2021. Be that as it may, it had been placing in worse high points since it arrived at its record-breaking high of $23.40 on 13-walk 2021. The token finished strong, arriving at a high of $10.37 on the 31st of December. Nonetheless, Sushi has attempted to get back over the $10 mark in 2022. By late January, it had fallen beneath $5 and forged a headed downtrend before long, falling underneath $1 interestingly beginning around 2020 on the 13th of June 2022, as digital currency costs imploded following the dropping of withdrawals on the Celsius organization crypto loaning stage. The cost has since been moderately steady contrasted with its previous unpredictability, as the token has exchanged immovably inside the $1-$2 territory from mid-May onwards, despite the fact that there was a sting in the tail in November, as Bankman Seard's FTX trade imploded and petitioned for financial protection, crashing the crypto market for the third opportunity in a year and sending Sushi down to a low of $1.01 on the 10th of November. By the 30th of November 2022, there had been a few recuperation and the token was exchanging at about $1.42. Around then, there were 127,244,443 Sushi available for use out of an all-out supply of 244,542,059. This gave the token a market cap of around $180 M, making it the 132nd biggest crypto by that measurement. Sushi cost forecast. With that all said and done, we should investigate a portion of the Sushi cost forecasts that were being made starting around the 30th of November 2022. It is crucial to recall that cost conjectures, particularly for something as possibly unstable as cryptographic money, frequently turn out to be off base. Additionally, some long-haul crypto value forecasts are made utilizing a calculation, and that implies they can change whenever. In the first place, had a momentary Sushi crypto cost expectation which recommended that the token could move to $1.60 by the 5th of December prior to tumbling to 96 cents by the 31st of December. The site's specialized investigation was evaluated as being impartial, in spite of the fact that there were 20 signs making bullish signs, over 2 times the 9 making negative ones. Another calculation-based forecaster made a Sushi cost expectation that proposed the token could average $1.71 in 2022. The site's Sushi cost expectation for 2025 said the token could ascend to a normal of $6.24 in 2025, preceding moving to $20.06 in 2030. Made a Sushi cost forecast that assessed the